The bridge. Once there were two brothers who lived next to each other on farms. They had worked together for 40 years without any big problems. They shared machines and traded things they needed. Everything was good until one day when a small misunderstanding happened. This little issue grew into a big fight. Soon, they were saying mean things to each other and stopped talking for weeks. One morning, the elder brother heard a knock on his door. When he opened it, a man holding a carpenter's toolbox stood there. "I'm looking for work," the man said. "Do you have any small jobs I can do?" "Yes," replied the elder brother. "I have a job for you. Look over there at my brother's farm across the creek. We don't get along right now. Last week, he made the creek wider to get water for his farm. Now there's a big creek between us, and I think he did it to annoy me. I want you to build something so we don't have to see each other's faces anymore." The carpenter nodded and said, "I understand. I can help you." The elder brother then went to town to get supplies. He helped the carpenter gather materials before leaving. The carpenter worked hard all day. He measured, sawed, and nailed pieces together. When the sun was setting, the elder brother came home. He was shocked at what he saw. Instead of blocking the view, the carpenter had built a bridge across the creek. It was beautiful, with nice handrails. Just then, the younger brother came over with a big smile and open arms. "You are so kind, brother. After everything I said, you still want to reach out." "I'm really sorry for how I acted," he said, hugging his elder brother. The elder brother smiled back. They turned to see the carpenter packing his toolbox. "Wait, don't go. I have many other jobs for you," said the elder brother. "I'd like to stay," the carpenter replied, "but I have many more bridges to build." Moral: it's okay to admit when we're wrong and to forgive each other. Being kind and humble is important. We should stick together as a family and not let small arguments tear us apart.
The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.